Hey y'all!
What's up, guys?
So you remember 2 years ago the way we celebrated Children's Day? We gave all the kids a kit, an emergency kit. Yes,
That's right. That's right. And a lot of our students' parents actually donated a lot of the items, which was really, really nice. Thank you, guys.
Right, exactly. We were thinking that with the COVID-19 situation especially, it might be a good time for us to upgrade the kits that we offer.
Beef them up. That's right.
Exactly.
That's right.
You know, not only to offer the items, but also to help, families understand a little bit more about the sort of things you may need if you're stuck at home in an emergency situation.
That's right. And we hope that if or when disaster strikes, our students will not panic. They will know exactly what to do, and they will deal with it calmly.
Yes, and also it's a reminder of the preciousness of our lives. So guys, this is the emergency kit that we said we were going to put together to celebrate Children's Day. Remember, if you're stuck at home, we want to refresh people, give a kind of an update, sorts of things that you need if you're stuck at home. And it's been a couple of years, right? So anyway, we want to see if the kids know how to pronounce each of the items that are going to be in the kit. And we're going to call out one, and when you say, please say it first and find the item, and then we're going to put it in the backpack. So we're actually going to make the kit right here on camera. So, let's start. What would you like to start with?
Okay. Swiss Army knife. See it? Where's it? Okay, pack it. Just put it.
Okay, pack it in. Okay, let's see if we can find a flashlight. Say flashlight. Everybody say it. Go. Flashlight. Okay, put it in there.
And how about a lighter?
Everybody together say it. Lighter. Okay, put it in here. Very good. Okay, how about work gloves? Where's the work gloves? Oh, okay, nope, that's not work gloves. Yeah, she got it. Isa got it. Okay, good. So take that. Everybody say it together. Ready, go. Work gloves. Okay, good. All right, go.
And what's next? Candles. Candles. Excellent. Candles.
Excellent. Okay, put it in there. And then we have the whistle. Everybody go. Whistle. Okay, where's the whistle?
I can't see it.
Oh, good. Isa found it good. Good. So fast. Okay,
Next item is matches.
Oh.
Well, these
Everybody
matches
say it
go without, yeah, exactly. Very good. These are some really cool matches.
Yeah, they're really long. The striker is really long on it.
Yeah.
Say matches, go. Matches. Okay. Next one should be dust mask. Do we have a dust mask? Oh, yeah.
And also this one right here, right?
Yeah,
No.
exactly.
Listen, this is a dust mask. This one here. That's the
Yeah, you're right. That's the dust mask. Everybody say it together. Ready, go. Dust mask.
Very good. The
Okay.
next item is pretty cool. These are 12-hour light sticks. So that means they will last you for 12 hours, right?
Yeah.
Do you know how to use them? Well,
Yes.
let's not break them right now, because in order to use them, you got to break them, right?
And then it will light up for 12 hours and then it burns out. But it will stay bright, just like
And they're waterproof too.
without power. It's just using chemicals. Everybody say it together. Ready? Go. Light sticks. Okay, next one. Rope. Who has a rope? Okay, everybody say it together. Go.
Rope.
Okay, good.
Next
Go.
one is bottled water.
Oh,
That is really amazing.
now this is really super cool. It's not actually in a bottle. It's in a pack. And it's really professional. I mean, you could keep this water for maybe, 50 or 80 years even.
Well, I don't know about that.
It will stay in this container. It's all wrapped up and it will stay pure. It will even in really dirty conditions, it will stay pure. Yeah, it's really professional.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Almost like if you're stuck on an island somewhere for a long time, like you're a sailor or something. Okay.
Okay, what's next?
Next one is raincoat. Who can say raincoat?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
2 raincoats. Excellent.
Everybody say raincoat. Go. Okay, go.
And the next one is hand warmers.
Okay, everybody say it together. Ready? Go.
Hand
warmers. Good. Okay, next one. Who can find a jacket?
What's a jacket?
Yes. Everybody say it. Go. Jacket. Good job. See, that's really
Next
handy.
item is Phoebe. Where's the dry food? Dry food. Very good. Everybody repeat. Okay, let's pack it.
Good job. Okay, who can see some, the best part of all? Money. Where's the money?
Oh. All right, there you go. Everybody say money.
You really need some money, yes.
Money.
If you're in an emergency situation. Okay, go ahead. What's the next one?
Respirator. Yeah, that's right. That's the one. Everybody repeat.
Go. Respirator. of wipes and tissue paper?
This.
Yeah, that's right. Wipes. Are the wet ones? Those are wipes. Everybody repeat.
Everybody go. Wipes and tissue paper. Good. Okay, go.
And what's next? What's next? Ice pack. Very good.
Everybody go. Ice pack. Okay, who can find a first aid kit? Awesome. Everybody say, go. First aid kit. Okay.
Oh, the next item is really, really easy. Batteries.
Get ready, go.
Batteries.
Good job. Yeah, that's really important too. I mean, actually, you may end up using that anytime now. And thermal blanket. Who can find one? Oh, yes. This is really handy. Girls, who knows what this can actually do? It looks like nothing, right? But you can wrap up and it will keep you really warm. I mean, really, really warm, even though it's so thin. It'll keep you as warm as a really thick blanket. The reason is because it's made of a kind of metal, so it reflects the heat back into your body when it comes out. The radiation goes back. It's not comfortable like a nice blanket, but it will keep you very warm if you're in an emergency. So everybody say this. Go. Thermal blanket. Good job.
Thermal blanket. Okay. Next one is radio. The radio. Okay.
Everybody together. Go.
Radio.
Okay. And who sees a towel? Now, are you looking for a towel? My goodness. Is this a towel? Really? Yes, it is.
Is it?
It's really kind of cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
Actually, it's kind of unusual because it looks like a brick. It looks like a solid brick, right? But if you add water to this towel, it will kind of fill up and it'll expand and become a blanket. So it's really kind of like compact. Okay, everybody ready? Go. Towel. Okay.
The next item is also very important. Compass. Do we have a compass?
Do we have a compass? What is this right here?
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
My goodness, that's so interesting. Yeah. Is there a compass inside there? Is it really?
All right, what's next?
Well, everybody say the word compass. Go. Compass. Okay, what else do we have here that we need? Anything else? Is that it?
And yeah, there's also a pen.
Ah. Pen. Everybody say pen. Go.
Pen.
Need a pen.
And the last item is
Notebook.
notebook. Very good.
Good job. And that wraps it up. It looks like, and this is everything you could possibly think of if you're stuck at home.
We're all done.
Yes.
We're good to go.
Happy Children's Day.